Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can use the Android emojis on the iOS device. So how you can see, I have iOS emojis here, so we have to start from the landing SwiftKey keyboard. So we have to open this app and click Get Started. Here you can see that we have a small instructions, so we can use that button. Now just click here on the keyboards and enable this switcher. You can also allow full access. Now hold the finger on this icon and choose SwiftKey. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.